Are you looking for the best soldering kit? In this video, we will break down the top 6 best soldering kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1, Weller WLC 140 Watt Soldering Kit. If you're looking for a perfect balance between price and quality, then consider buying the Weller WLC 100 soldering station. It's a 40-watt soldering kit with adjustable wattage, a sponge holder, and a soldering iron holder. Sadly, this iron doesn't feature temperature controls, but that's only a problem for temperature-sensitive components. And while 40 watts might not seem like a lot, it's more than enough to maintain stable temperatures. Also, this is certified ST3 iron-plated tip for long life and consistent performance, a built-in soldering holder to safely rest your pencil, and a cleaning sponge to remove unwanted residue from soldering for next time use. The dimensions of this product are 8.8 into 3.76 into 6.3 inches, and its weight is 1.79 pounds. It offers a 7-year warranty for their customer satisfaction. At number 2, X-TRONIC Digital Display Soldering Kit. This is surprising with its reliability. Some of its features are usually only found in models that cost twice as much. Its handle is comfortable to hold and not hot to the touch, and the iron comes with a heavy, sturdy stand and useful accessories. Also, it comes with a digital display that makes tracking and changing the temperature especially easy. Also, while putting together our electronics project kit, it occasionally had to wait for the X-TRONIC soldering station to rebound to a set temperature. Moreover, the iron comes with a sturdy stand to hold the hot iron during use, a spool for the solder, and both a sponge and a brass sponge for cleaning the iron's tip. At number 3, DREMEL 2001 Soldering Kit. This iron can perform a wide variety of functions, including burning, cutting, heating, shrinking, and welding. Highly accurate, this tool is perfect for detail and hobby work, with the added bonus of being portable. The self-ignition button eliminates the need for an external igniter, and the tank holds enough butane for 75 minutes of continual use. Also, the kit includes a deflector, case, cutting knife, hot air tip, protective cap, shaping knife, solder, soldering tip, sponge, tins, white blower tip, wrenches, and Versatip tool. While a master of none, the high versatility of this tool makes it a winner with many hobbyists. They note the higher precision available, and portability as key features. At number 4, AOYUE Soldering Station. The AOYUE soldering station is a variable power and ESD-safe product. With a temperature range of 200 to 480 degrees Celsius, this soldering station is one of the most impressive of its kind in today's market. This unit features the use of a PTC element, which is not popular in many brands. It is built from ceramic and features a 60-watt power range. This soldering station is a complete package, thus, it features elements such as a solder spool holder, a sponge, an iron stand, and a 496 station with iron. Its station is a sturdy tool designed with variable power, a durable ceramic heating element, and a removable tip design. The ability to change your tip makes it a versatile product that can be used to undertake a myriad of projects for extended periods. Also, it features over 50 different tip sizes to cater to all your construction and project needs. Talk about economic value. The wide temperature range of this product is a big advantage for the unit over its competition. At number 5, HAKKO FX888D23BY Digital Soldering Station. This HAKKO soldering station has everything you look for in a soldering station. The soldering iron heats up incredibly fast and preserves the temperature while working. Also, it offers temperature adjustment and a digital display, and comes with a cleaning sponge and a sturdy stand that doesn't move around while working. AOYUE can also find this soldering station with 7 extra tips. It makes your soldering projects a breeze with a temperature range of up to 899 F. Moreover, the dimensions of this product are 9.6 into 9.6 into 7.3 inches, and its weight is 2.6 pounds. At number 6, iChan Soldering Iron Station Kit. The iChan Soldering Station Kit comes with accelerated sensors that are powered by an STM32 chip, together with dual temperature sensors for swift and smooth operations. To prevent your device from overheating, it features an automatic overheating warning that alerts you whenever the temperature rises above the average. This soldering iron station kit is the product you must purchase. Created as an improvement to its predecessor, the TS100 is a unit from it, and is a programmable soldering station designed for all your outdoor purposes. Also, it has been engineered to heat up efficiently in seconds, with the ability to adjust the heat settings from 100 degrees to 400 degrees Celsius. All temperatures are displayed correctly on an OLED screen and are entirely accurate. Moreover, the dimensions of this product are 5.91 into 0.79 into 3.54 inches, and its weight is 3.53 pounds.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.